problem. We have 27 to power root x equal to 81. Now, what we are going to do here is to express this 27 to index form. So we can express it to 3 raised to power 3. That is for this 27, then to the power of root x equal to, and this can also be expressed to 3 raised to power 4. Then if we multiply this power, we are going to have 3 raised to power this, multiply this, and we have this x equal to 3 raised to power 4. So when we get to this point, we can cancel out the base. Then we are left with 3 root x equal to 4. Then we can divide both sides by 3 divided by 3. Therefore, this will go with this. Then we are left with root x equal to 4 over 3. So we need to remove the square root. To remove the square root, we use the opposite of square root, which is what? We square both sides. So we're going to have, we square here, and we also square this side. We square here as well. So this square, we cancel the roots. I'm left with what? X equal to. I'm left with x equal to. Then here square this, so I'm going to have 16 over what? 9, and this is our answer. Thank you for watching.